Metal roof panels in coastal areas often get all messed up with corrosion because of salt exposure, and it can seriously wreck your roof if you don't deal with it right. So, first off, if you live near the ocean, using corrosion-resistant materials like aluminum or galvanized steel is a total game changer. These materials can handle salty air way better than regular metal. Next, slap on some protective coatings. Think special paints or sealants designed to keep moisture and salt from eating away at your roof. You gotta make sure the coating is reapplied every few years, because it wears off over time. Also, keep leaves and debris off your roof, since they trap moisture and speed up corrosion. Make a habit of rinsing your roof with fresh water now and then to wash away salt buildup. If you spot any rust spots early, clean them off with a wire brush and touch them up with rust-inhibiting paint. And don't forget to inspect your roof regularly so you catch problems before they blow up into bigger headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with metal roofs in salty coastal spots is picking cheap materials that aren't corrosion resistant, which just means more rust and repairs. Fix that by going for higher quality metals made for coastal use. Another common issue is skipping protective coatings or waiting too long to reapply them. Without this barrier, salt just eats through the metal faster. To avoid this, stick to a maintenance schedule and keep those coatings fresh. Lastly, ignoring small rust patches or damage is a huge no-no because it spreads fast and leads to leaks. The quick fix is catching rust early, cleaning it up, and sealing it so it does not spread. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle these coastal roofing challenges. Contractors also get a steady flow of work there, which makes it easier for them to connect with people who really need their skills.